Okay, this property, we're still in North Philly, but we're in a different property, different address, different area. It's a two-family, but it's not zoned to be a two-family, so it's legally a one-family house.
I would knock this whole wall down if I could, open it up.
So this is the active right now.
Has a nice, some nice molding.
Mm-hmm, yeah,
Cute
absolutely.
fireplace right here, potential, you know?
I would not buy it.
No.
I wanted to show this so bad because, so that way you guys actually get to see. This is 19121, the other one was 1921, Stillbury Town. So what people actually doing, they actually adding an additional floor in order to get the
Oh,
value.
excuse me.
If you actually will sell, if you fix this as it is right now, the most you will get out of this is, I believe, is 350.
Oh, that's the basement down there?
Yeah, 350, right? You can't get higher than this. The only way for you to get like you getting
And that's just a
500
closet.
is to add an additional floor, and that's what everybody's actually going for.
Like the other one.
Yeah.
One thing with this area, even though there are new homes, new developments, many of them are not, so as of yet, they're just sitting on the market.
Call it a done if your numbers work, if you want to make, you still can make money out of this, depending on how much. This probably you need like how much. Greg, how much work would you say this needs? 150.
There's a bathroom?
Right. So you do your math.
Oh, I thought it was a closet. Oh,
If you flip it, you know,
Oh, wow.
how long
Okay.
it's for, you know, I mean, he said 150. Who knows? Things go wrong. So,
All right, so you want to go with the numbers? Okay, so no matter what the number is from the after repair value from a 350, guys, pay attention, please. So the after repair value roughly is 350 on a newly completed single family home. Okay, you can't rezone this to two family. That's not going to happen. So 70% LTV of 350 is 245. That means whatever you're building and buying it for and the renovation costs has to tie into 245. Okay, so if you're buying it for 75 grand, the difference better make sure that it covers the 240, the difference of 245, or you're overpaying for the property. That's it. Now, is that person that's selling this property gonna take that offer? Who knows?